Alright, now we head into our meeting room. Alright, let's come. So you can see that actually this is for the screens. We have a brainstorm meeting also with our clients and also our company inside for all the more meetings. So you can see the meeting table and the chair. You can see that it's not very, to support your whole body, but actually can also very comfortable to concentrate on the meeting. You can see also for the surface of this edges, this power coated with your embers, to not like harmful for that. So you can just focus and what's the guys doing saying about this. Okay. So you can see we have around 20 persons. It's our biggest meeting rooms here. And you can see also we have the screen conductor to have our meetings and also have brainstorm here. And of course we have also the whiteboard with the screens, the glass here. So we can write all the memories here. Of course we can also have the whiteboard with this, can just write all the things. So that's actually for Weworth meeting room.